Right then, welcome to the Happy Hungry Hippie. Yes, that's me. As part of my book reviews, I've just had a new book arrive and it's absolutely tremendous. It is the one and only Leon Happy Guts. Just released today, the 26th of June, and it has arrived. I've actually got quite a few books by Leon of the collection. We have the Happy One Pot Wonders, the Happy Fast Food, we have the Happy Curries, and now we have the Happy Guts. Been looking forward to the release of this book. There's been a lot of science and a lot of studies that are actually now coming through which are proving that gut health and your microbiome is very, very important. In particular, we're based around pre and probiotic foods. There's a lot of science now that is proving that prebiotic foods do work. Still a lot of more work to be done on probiotics. Really read up on this. Really good book by an author called Julia Enders. I think she's German. You can either read it through an audiobook or you can actually buy it. I've got both, and it's a really interesting and quite a funny book to read actually. It's really insightful and it's actually based upon science and literature that have been released. I do recommend, do read the book, do read into it. There's a lot of really good study and it's really interesting. So really been excited about this book arriving. I've just been through it and the breakdown of this book is absolutely superb. The diversity and vibrance of the different recipes in here is superb. It's got such a broad range of recipes, from salads, hot foods, desserts, to even fermenting foods, making pickles, and also actually making your own brews. Really loved the introduction of this. It really gives you an educational insight of gut health, also what microbes are about, the gut-brain axis, good news about wine and cheese, lots of misconceptions, eat more fibre, and then this covers lots of recipes from breakfast through to making your own bread, pastas, making your own pasta, kimchi soup, salads, borscht muesli. The key contents of the book is ways to eat more fibre, eat the rainbow. When you're talking about rainbow, you're talking about different pigments, different polyphenols and flavonoids, which are the pigments within plants. Try and eat a broad range of different colours, antioxidants and things like that. When you do choose vegetables, I do recommend for you to go for the darker colour pigments. So things like broccoli, getting the purple colour broccoli is a really good way of adding polyphenols to your diet. Another section is Eat Lively. So that's talking about eating pre and probiotic foods. So prebiotics is a fertiliser for your gut health. It's adding foods that stimulate the growth of bacteria that's already in your gut. And then probiotics, which is, there needs to be a lot more science on about proving probiotics. The only area where it has been proven is where probiotics is added through your rectum. Yes, so yes, eat foods with pre and probiotic foods. Eat more sourdough bread, things like kimchi, things like sauerkraut, kefir, all these things. Omega-3, a lot of science now proving on omega-3 and the benefits of eating good fats. And then last but not least is lower sugar. Really love this section because it just shows you how you can bake but less sugar. So they have proven that sugar and salt pretty much decimates your gut health. It's not good, it doesn't stimulate the growth of microbes within your gut. Too much sugar can upset our gut's microbe balance. And that's true, and just shows you how you can use different recipes, from chocolate beetroot cake to blueberry gelato, salted rye cookies, yogurt, panna cotta, frozen yogurt, super smoothies, and then the bit at the end. Really love this. Every single book within the Leon collection shows something quite unique at the end. I love this twisted wheat beer, making your own brew. Can sometimes be quite difficult, but really look forward to covering these on my YouTube channel. Home brewed ginger beer, Switchel, really looking forward to trying that as well. Really have to give this a 10 out of 10. It's an absolutely fantastic book. Really looking forward to covering recipes on my YouTube channel. Really hope you're enjoying the show. Please do check out my other playlist for different cookbooks and recipes, and also make sure you subscribe. Lots of love and passion going into this show. Covered lots of different recipes now and cookbooks, and do recommend the Leon Happy Guts book. Enjoy.